Hello everyone, welcome to another challenge. This challenge will put your string manipulation skills to the test, incorporating the knowledge you've gained from our previous lectures. Let's dive in and see how well you can apply your understanding of strings. Alright, create an application that takes a sentence as input and converts each word of the sentence to title case. In title case, the first character of each word in the string is uppercase and the rest of the characters are lowercase, like this example. Let's give you a couple of hints, so you should be able to figure it out. After splitting each word in the sentence, update them using a for each loop. Alright, pause the video and engage in the challenge. Take your time to solve it to the best of your abilities. Get started and we'll see you back here when you're done. Okay, welcome back. To begin addressing this challenge, we start by obtaining user input using the readLine method. Next, we utilize string methods to manipulate the input string, ensuring that we capitalize the appropriate letters. First, let's start by splitting the sentence into individual words. To achieve this, we can utilize the split method with a space as a delimiter. As we mentioned, to iterate over each word in words array, we can utilize the for each loop. Now, we can access each word individually. Next, we can utilize the substring method to extract the first letter of each word and store it in a separate variable. Additionally, we can store the remaining letters of the word in another variable. To obtain the first letter of a string, we simply need to specify 0 as the start index and 1 as the length parameter. Similarly, to obtain the rest of the word letters, we can specify 1 as the start index without passing any value as the length parameter. Next, to convert the first letter to uppercase, we can simply use the toUpper method. Similarly, to convert the remaining letters to lowercase, we can employ the toLower method. Then, we can concatenate these two strings using the concat method. Finally, let's display the title case word in the terminal. Let's run the application and test it out. Now, let's provide an input string and see the result. As you can see, we achieved the desired result. Let's give it another shot. Okay, we get the expected result. Alright, done. See you soon with another lecture.